Hello. In this video, we will see how can we send image template messages via Pabbly. So once you click on the link, click on accept this app. Now in action, choose app as API for WhatsApp notifications. Select action event as send notifications. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Enter connection name and enter API token. You can get this from the panel. So here click on three dots and then click on access token. Copy access token and paste it under API token. Click on save. Select template from the drop down and enter or map receiver's WhatsApp number. Now for header image variable, go to Media's app. Here click on upload file. Select the image that you want to set as header and then click on upload. Copy the file URL and paste it here. Now if you are creating a long-term automation, then you have to change this file URL in every 7 days, as we offer only 7 days free hosting of file. Map rest of the variables and then save and send test response. Thank you.